you want to protect your natural hair and retain some length, then you want to avoid those salons that don't have the best services for natural hair girlies. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I prep and braid my hair at home. So I'm going to be using Darling braids, and I have 4 packs. The next thing, I'm going to be using this leave-in treatment from Sedoso and my oil as usual. But first, I'm starting off by spraying some water to at least add some moisture in my hair. Anytime I want to braid my hair, I usually do my twist outs like 2 weeks, 1 week, or days before, so that it can be easier for me. And what I mean is that I won't be parting my hair again. I'll just be following my twist outs. Like this one here, I will just undo it and then do my leave-in treatment, my oil, my water, and braid it just like that. It's very easy this way, and this is what have worked for me all the time. I feel like this is the best way, guys, to protect your natural hair underneath extensions, because you are starting off by moisturizing them and locking in the moisture. I know straightening your hair before you do your braids can make them look so beautiful and so clean, and that's not the best way. Like, you are putting some heat first before you put in extensions. Like, your hair is dry at the moment. It's dry. It's only covered with some oil that you used to straighten it. Like, come on, guys, that's not protective. And if that's your way, then it's cool. It's cool. It's cool, baby girl. So guys, this is going to be a protective hairstyle for me for like a month, and I get it that some people don't believe that braids can be your protective hairstyle. I know that, and what I wanted is a simple hairstyle that I can do right now and can tuck my hair inside. So what I'm doing with these braids is that I'm making sure that my natural hair is getting tucked in the extensions. I ended up undoing all the 3 twist outs, added my moisturizer, water, and oil, and then parted it into 3, and I'm putting these 2 out of the way to start with this other one. The first method that I don't like using most of the time is where you go in with 3 parts of braids and you divide your natural hair into 3 parts, and then you just attach the extensions. The second method is the best method for those people who find it difficult to grab hair at the start of your braid. This is how you do it. You will take the size of hair extension you want your braid to be, and then take a small amount from that one size, and then grab your natural hair and tie around until you feel like it has been grabbed right, and then divide the natural hair while still grabbing the hair extension, and then braid it halfway. After braiding this halfway, I now pick the remaining hair extension and just put it over this other one and braid like this. While braiding, I'm trying my best to make sure that my natural hair is being tucked in these extensions. Like, I want to protect my hair from the sun. Of course, you know my hair is sun damaged, so I'm trying my best here to make it tucked in there, girl, because this damage is too much and we need the protection. If you are a home girly, like you like doing your hair at home by yourself, I would love to know why. What are some of your reasons in the comment section? Because mine, guys, is that number one, I want to protect my hair best than the salon can offer. Because we won't lie, like, our salons don't offer the best natural care services, and if there are, I know they are very expensive because natural hair is tiring, girl. This is me showing you for the second time, guys. I'm just taking my natural hair with this small hair extension, and I'm just rolling it over my natural hair, and then I will just divide my natural hair into 3 parts while still holding the hair extension, and then braid halfway. So guys, another reason I like doing my own hair is because my scalp is always in so much pain, and when I do my hair it's not that much painful. So this is what I was saying, guys. I take the other hair extension, put it over this other one, and just braid normally. Another important reason why I do my own hair is because, girl, if I know how to do my braids, and at the salon they are charging me 700 Kenyan shillings for 7 braids, and I can do that for myself, then why not? Why not take that 700 and do something else? Because, girl, I'm not here trying to waste that money because I don't have it. By the way, Sina, that's expensive for me, and I can do it myself. If I didn't know how to do it, then I would visit the salon. But if I know and I have the time, why not? Girl, we are here trying to save as much as we can. So, yeah. Oh, by the way, guys, I made sure that my braids were not heavy, because the heavier the braids, the more weight on your natural hair and the more the breakage opportunities. So I didn't want to do that. I wanted lightweight braids. Of course, I don't want my hair to break. There is this cut trick, guys, I want to show you. These are short braids, and you can see how long I made them, and I just used the same short braids. So I'm going to be showing you how I extend my braid. But first of all, guys, I have divided my twist outs here. I want to get this part done, and then I can come and show you the right way to extend your short braids to be longer. So guys, I'm done, and I'm remaining with these 2 parts here in the front, and this is the perfect time to show you what I promised. We're going to start with how I'm doing these braids, guys. I'm taking the twist out, spraying some water to make it easier to work with. After spraying some water, I'm undoing the twist out, applying the leave-in treatment, and then locking in the moisture with my coconut oil. And by the way, I'm not using the comb as much. I'm just finger detangling. Like for most of my braids, I just finger detangled. So after all this, I'm going in with this small extension, taking my natural hair well, attaching this extension, and then rolling my natural hair, and then dividing my natural hair into 3 parts and braiding halfway. After this is done, I'm taking the other part of the hair extensions and putting it over this braided part and going in again. This, I call this the double braiding method. Let's get to look at the difference between these two braids. You can see I have not extended the one I'm still braiding, and you can see the other extended one, how long it is. So this is how I'm extending it. I'm taking a small amount of braid extension. You can see they are leveled, right? So I'm making sure that one of the sides is longer than the other, and just attaching it to where I was braiding. And I'm not only using one part of a small braid, I'm using several small parts so that the braid does not turn out to be so thin. And as you can see, they are on the same level. This is where I start to have hopes, because I'm only remaining with this one part to get done. Done at what time? It's 8:01. I'm done. This feels amazing. This is my messy space after everything was done, and these guys, it's like a whole pack because I only used it for 2 braids only, and my length for my braids is like waistish length, and they look so cute, so fresh, so clean. I always take like 6 hours, guys, to do my braids, but today was the day. Like I started at 11 a.m. and I was getting done at 8:01 p.m. Like, what? It was crazy. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.